This is to all press people in Karnataka. I have got a great respect towards you press people. Today you have got me limelight. Today whatever Ucha Venkat is because of you and media people. You brought limelight to me, telling my words everything. You also told my mistakes which I have also corrected so many times. I have not scolded you all press people. I have scolded only one person who is a press person. For that you don't think I have scolded all you press people. I have got a good love on you people and a respect on you for press people and all over the world also all the press people I love you so much. I can't tell more than that. I respect you so much. I don't mingle with the film people, but I mingle with you press media. Why? Because you are the person who correct me, who tell me good way, and I've learned also. And please, all the press people in Karnataka, you should not get hurted. That I scolded one press person, and you should not hate me. I feel bad about it because I love you people. I respect you people. More than this, what I can tell. If you hate me also, I love you, I'll respect you. That is there. Not that tomorrow you might not come to my press meet. I'm telling these words. This is coming from heart. How many times I've told to all the press and media that you people have brought me to limelight. You brought me to, you made me to reach to the people. You made people to love me. And please, all the press people, if you feel that I've hurted any one of you people, I'm sorry for it. And I'm a small person. And